Hey there, tech-savvy friends. If you're looking to streamline your payments and add your Cash App Card to Apple Pay, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can start using your card for seamless, contactless transactions on your iPhone. Why bother? Well, Apple Pay makes shopping faster and more secure, and integrating your Cash App Card means you can access your funds effortlessly. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App Visa debit card set up in your Cash App account. Once that's ready, grab your iPhone and open the Wallet app. It's the one with the wallet icon, the place where all your digital cards live. If it's your first time here, you'll see a prompt to add a card. Otherwise, tap that little plus button in the upper right corner. Next, select debit or credit card from the options. Now, you'll need to enter your Cash App Card details. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Just input the card number, expiration date, and the CVV from the back of your physical card. Pro tip: keep your card handy to avoid any typos. After you enter the info, Apple might ask you to verify the card. This could involve a small test transaction or a verification code sent via text or email from your bank. Once that's done, tap Next and let Apple Pay do its thing. It usually takes just a few seconds to confirm everything. And voila, your Cash App Card is now added to Apple Pay. To test it out, head to a store or an online checkout that accepts Apple Pay, double-click the side button on your iPhone, authenticate with Face ID or your passcode, and select your card. Easy peasy, right? One last thing. If you run into any issues, like the card not verifying, double-check that your Cash App Card is activated and that you're using the latest iOS version. This setup not only saves time but also adds an extra layer of security to your everyday purchases. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.